at the Children's Museum in Bloomsburg, and we are talking simple machines today. So what's a simple machine? A simple machine is a device that helps us move an object, and it helps us do work. Simple machines, there are 6 of them. There's the lever, the screw, the wheel and axle, the wedge, incline plane, and pulley. Today, we're going to talk about the wedge.
If you've ever been to the Children's Museum, you know that we have an exhibit completely devoted to the simple machines. The part of this exhibit that is the wedge is that yellow triangle that's splitting open the blue box and making the ball roll down to the bottom.
I'm standing here in front of our North Mountain Art League exhibit, which has this new fabulous exhibit up. You haven't seen it yet, but when you get to come back to the museum, you will be able to. But I'm here because there's an example of a wedge in the artwork here. Right here, the ice skates. The blade of the ice skate is actually a wedge. The skate skates along the ice, and it actually makes a little bit of a separation in the ice as the skates travel along it. We have some other examples of wedges here too. Take a look over here. Doorstop wedge, holding the door open. Doing the work of holding that door back. What other kind of wedges do we have here? We have a little play knife. What do knives do? Knives have this little edge along here, and the knife helps cut the watermelon. So wedges is an object having one thick end and tapering to a thin end. And what they do is they help separate things. Scissors, I told you, and another video, scissors are levers because they have this pivot point here, but they're also wedges. The blades of the scissors is a wedge because it has this thin edge that helps separate the paper in two by cutting it. Another wedge. So here's an activity that you guys can try at home. If you have some Play-Doh, I'm using modeling clay because I don't have Play-Doh. All my Play-Doh got dried out. So you can use clay or Play-Doh. And what you can do is you can say, try to cut the Play-Doh in half using something that's not a wedge, but a flat surface. What happens when I do that? Does it cut in half? I'm pressing really hard. No, it just kind of squishes it. What happens if I try to separate the Play-Doh or cut the Play-Doh in half using a wedge? Pretty easy. That's the work of a wedge. So, if you try this experiment at home, we'd love to see a video or a photograph of it. You can send it to boxoflight@me.com. This is Dr. Jenny at the Bloomsburg Children's Museum. See you next time.